depends, Kat. Usually it's only paid until there is an overall settlement.
Okay.
And normally you'll try and do an overall deal as part of the property settlement that's in full settlement, property settlement and spousal maintenance. But sometimes you can't do that. Sometimes there's not enough property to basically buy out the other person's spousal maintenance claim. If the parties have got relatively modest property, then the person without income might be a candidate for ongoing spousal maintenance. I'm advising someone at the moment in which my client is a very high earning person and his wife never really worked and has got some health difficulties. He accepts that he's going to have to pay a truckload of spousal maintenance for the next 10 years. They're unusual, but they certainly happen. So spousal maintenance can be open-ended, but it's generally for a short period of time, often only up until the settlement, but not always.
Not always.